Hi guys, it's Jess, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw this really cute whale. You're going to start by drawing a circle, however, it's more like a teardrop shape that's tilted. Make sure you don't join the two lines together. We don't want to close the circle because we want to draw the tail. For the tail, it's just two leaf shapes that I've joined together. I'm then drawing two circles for the eyes, and here we go again with my hand covering the page so you can't see what I'm drawing. But it's just two circles, I'm sorry. I drew the eyes really big because this makes it so cute, and then I'm drawing a curved line on its belly, and for the flippers I'm just doing little leaf shapes again on either side. I'm then drawing a little oval shape at the top, and I'm doing little water droplets. They're basically tear droplets but going the opposite way. And in the eyes, I'm drawing one big circle in each eye, and then I'm going to draw one little circle also in each eye. I'm then going to add a little smile and big eyelashes. I just feel like this whale should have big eyelashes. I'm then adding details and putting two lines in the tail, and don't forget the eyebrows. Okay, so I've got myself a black fine liner. You can use a Sharpie, you can use a biro, just as long as it's black. And I'm going to outline the eye. So just outline the pencil marks that you have made. So now I'm colouring in the eye. However, you must make sure that you leave the two circles that you drew inside the eye white, because these are the highlights. So make sure you leave them white. That's the most important thing in this whole drawing. Then I'm going to outline the eyelashes and colour them in too. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the other eye. Pause this video now and go and black line over every pencil line you've made. And then use the rubber and rub out any pencil markings that may still be left from underneath the black lining. So now it's time to colour. So I'm using Sharpies. I've got a light blue and a medium sort of blue colour. I'm going to use the medium colour to colour the main body of this whale. Make sure you leave the tummy because we'll be using the light blue to colour that. Just to quickly mention, you don't need to be using Sharpies, you can use colouring pencils, you can use felt tips, it honestly doesn't matter, and you don't have to stick to the colours that I chose, you can literally choose any colour you want. So I used the light blue to colour in the belly, and now I'm doing shading. So I'm taking a dark blue this time, and I'm colouring on the left side around the line that I drew. You don't have to do shading if you don't want to. I just think it looks really good and it makes it look more three-dimensional. So I'm adding shading to the flipper and tail, Make sure it's always on the left side. I'm then taking the light blue that we used to colour the belly and I'm shading on that area too, down the left side. I'm using a white pen and I'm adding highlights on the right side because that's the place where the sun would shine. And I'm just adding little lines, little bits in the water droplets, on the belly, just wherever I feel like it. And the whale's done! Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.